see them again for another video. Thank you guys for always watching them. I do appreciate it. And if you do like them, please don't forget to hit the like button and might as well subscribe on that channel so you get updated on my life. If you don't want to, just tap it anyway. Anyway, for today's video, we are going to hit the famous or some famous landmarks here in Madrid. We'll try to see what we can do or make the most out of our day. So we'll tag you along with us. Let's go, guys.
Our first stop is here in Plaza de Mayor.
It's Plaza Mayor.
Plaza Mayor.
So once again, we're here at Plaza Mayor, one of the major tourist spot here in Madrid. It used to host bullfights and soccer games back in the days. And again, it turns into a Christmas night market during winter. Also in this square lies the statue of King Philip the third. So we're here now at Puerta del Sol, one of the busiest square here in Madrid. It also holds the countdown for New Year. I mean, look how busy it is. Look at these people! But you know what though? Everyone's wearing a mask, so that's pretty nice. Okay, so right now we are here at Plaza de Isabel, or right by Opera metro station. They turned the square again into a night market, Christmas night market. So a couple of shops or stalls here. You have food, bags, jewelries and stuff. Let me show you around. We are right here in Palacio de Real Madrid, or the Royal Palace of Madrid. right behind me is the gate to Sabatini Gardens, which is just right next to the Royal Palace here in Madrid. Unfortunately, it's under construction, so yeah, it would be nice to visit it though. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free to do so. But hopefully, by the time you visit it, it's already open. So we're right by Rio Park, and behind it actually is the palace, Royal Palace. So it's pretty close, and in between this park and the palace is the Sabatini Gardens, which again is closed right now. You can see the Madrid sign here, and there is a cafe next to it, which is Cafe del Rio, right there.